This is the pin set and the relay. Both of the relay. You have 85 as the switch wire. You have 86 as the grounds. You have number 30 straight to 12 volt. And you have a 287. That goes straight to the bulb. On the 2 pin side, you have 2 numbers on the relay. You have B positive, L negative. It can either connect both ways, but the light won't blink. If anything, you pause the video and write it down. How to make a flasher warning light with a 12 volt battery, a 2 pin relay, 2 LED bulb. I'm using a red and an orange, a jumper cable, and a 5 pin relay. Let's get started. Okay, let's light up this bulb. First, we're going to connect up the wires. You see the 287? The 2 wires that go to the 87. I have the 2 blue wire. One to the positive, the other one to the positive. The jumper cable to the negative of the LED. That goes straight to the battery. For instance, leave us with 3 wire. We have the positive, we have the negative, and we have the switch wire. First, we're going to connect up the ground wire. We have the green wire as the ground wire. It is number 86, the green wire. And we have the orange wire, which is positive, and the 5 pin relay. But I don't want it to look chopped up, so I just get a longer wire using. For instance, if I should touch this to the positive side of the battery, one of this bulb will come on. There you go. Leave us with 1 wire, the switch wire. This is where the 2 pin relay are coming in. Right to the positive. If I should touch this to the positive, the red will go off and the yellow will come on. Okay. Now I'm showing you. If I should connect the 2 pin relay, the negative side to the positive side of the battery, the light will just come and stabilize and doesn't blink. That's it. So you just switch from red to orange. But if I should turn this relay around, this 2 pin relay, you will have a blinking light. That light that show an ambulance, some fire truck. Give me Christmas light. There you go.